Hi student, before this video you learn in the last 3 video of only topic tree. In the last 3 videos you got the different definition and different explanation about the tree. But today in this video we will learn some more important topics, more important definitions related with the tree. For that, just look at the question in your textbook, understand the question and try to write down the answer of the given question. If you are unable to write down directly the answer of the given question, then that time just only look at your textbook for the answer. Just read the answer and again try to write down the answer of the relative questions is there. This will possible you to solve many questions related with the topic tree. So look at the today's video very carefully, then you will understand basic concept related with the different definitions that contains the different meanings related with the tree. Okay, look at the question. Question number 41. What is a binary tree? This question we have already completed in our last video. In that question we got the idea that tree is divided into 3 disjoint subset. One is the root, one is left subtree and one is right subtree, and the maximum node in the tree will have at most 2 nodes at the successor. Okay, so in that point we got the detailed idea in the last question. So look at the question in the continuous sense. With a suitable example, show the relationship between the member of node and tree, total number of node and depth of tree. How many nodes should be contained with the tree and depth of a tree. The depth of a tree, this definition we understood in the last some session. From that we got the ideas. Depth of a tree means total number of the level plus 1 means the maximum number level number plus 1 has given us the formula of depth of tree. The level number of node A is at the 0th level, B and C are the first level, and D, E, F, G are at the second number of level. 0, 1, 2 are the level number, and the formula we got in the first video is that the maximum level number plus 1. The depth of a tree is equals to 1 plus the largest level number. Here in the diagram has given the depth of tree is equal to 3. Generally we directly can get the total number of levels. Directly we can watch there total number of level 1, 2, 3. Total 3 levels are there. So directly we can write depth of a tree is equal to 3. Here the depth of a tree will be denoted with the number n. So whenever we want to get the total number of node in that time, at that time the depth of a tree will be denoted by a character small n. So look at the answer of the question. Relationship between the total number of node and depth of a tree. Depth of a tree means maximum level number of any node in a tree. Depth of a tree means maximum level of any tree in a tree, of any node in a tree. Maximum level of any node. Maximum level of the given tree in your answer. You can take your own tree, means own decision for draw the tree. Maximum number of node in a binary tree with the depth n. I already told you that we should have to take the depth of tree with number n. Are the formula for the maximum number of node in a tree is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. We already know that the depth of tree is denoted by n. So whenever we put the values inside the formula, already we can easily look at the diagram that the depth of the tree is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3, already we have known. So the depth of the tree is 3. For that, the total number of node in a given tree, we got the formula for that, 2 to the power n minus 1, 2 to the power n. What is the value of n? N is equal to 3, because the depth of the tree n is equal to 3. 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Generally, we know that the power 3 will show the multiplication 2 in the 3 times. If the power of any number will be 5, then that time the number will be multiplied with the same number up to 5 times. But here only 2 to the power 3, that tells us the power of 2 up to 3, means power of 2 up to 3, that tells us 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 times multiplication of 2 will be there. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. The tree with depth n is having 2 to the power n minus 1. The number of total nodes in the tree is equal to 7. So you can count there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total number of nodes are 7. So it is the binary tree. It is the best perfect binary tree. Just look at the another definition. Another question is there. Question number 42 is there. Define the following. Complete binary tree. Complete binary tree. It is the most important definitions. It may be asked in your exam also. It is very important. So note it the question as an important question. 3 definitions are included in this question: complete binary tree, extended binary tree, and the binary search tree is there. Binary tree is the main important concept behind the 3 definitions: complete binary tree, extended binary tree, and binary search tree. So out of which first we look at the first definition: complete binary tree. If all the nodes of a binary tree have the same level number and every non-leaf node has the non-empty left and right subtree, then the tree is called complete binary tree. Or all the nodes at the last level appears far left as possible. Out of the given definition, I have already underlined the important sentence in the definition. You can write at least this sentence there. Firstly, look at the diagram of a tree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The division of the binary tree in the 3 disjoint subset, like the root, left subtree and right subtree, out of which we can watch there D, E, F and G. The leaf node of the tree are at the same level. Means if you already known about the level number 0 shows the node A, level number 1 shows the B and C node, and the level number 2 will show the nodes D, E, F and G. That is explaining us the leaf node. The leaf node of the tree is D, E, F, G. That is useful to say us that all the nodes are at the same level number and the level number is equal to 2. Means the D, E, F, G lies over the same level number, so that the tree is called as the complete binary tree. Just in your own sentences you can write the definition in the easy format. That we already know about the what are the leaf node. Leaf node are the D, E, F and G. D, E, F, G are the leaf node of a tree. Already we know that. Level number of the nodes are 2, because level number 0, 1 and 2. So all the leaf nodes are at the same level number. Here in the diagram you can see all the leaf nodes are at the same level, so that the tree is this type of binary tree is called as the complete binary tree. If you don't understanding in the easy sense, you can learn in your own type of knowledge. But I am just trying to explain with my own knowledge or the sentences written in your textbook. Just memorize the definition clearly. If you understanding properly, you can write in a perfect format in the exam. Otherwise, just only cramming will not help you in the exam, because if you acquire all the types of concept in your mind with the basic points, then and then you can memorize, you can recall the definition at the time of exam. Otherwise, definition will become very wrong. So that the best important sentence I have told to you, write in the exam very properly. Draw the diagram very properly. You can get the better marking than the other people's. Also, the next sentence is every non-leaf node has the non-empty left and right subtree. Non-leaf node, what are the non-leaf node in the given tree? B, C, A are the non-leaf node, because they are divided into left successor, right successor of the root node. So you can directly write down the definition with your own sentences also, or you can write at least the important sentence from the given definitions. I have already underlined the definition. Question same, and point number 2, extended binary tree. Just read the definition, you will easily memorize the definition in the easy sense. In this diagram, you looks very easy combination of the nodes. Just read the definition. A binary tree T is said to be 2 tree or the extended binary tree if each node n has either 0 or 2 children. Each node having either 0 or 2 children. The node with 2 children are called internal node, and the node with 0 children are called external node. Node with 2 children are there. Internal node, you can look at the diagram. Internal node is there. For example, the given diagram you can watch there. You can put the different elements also, A, B, C, D. But in the diagram, you can look at the node at a perfect point. that can be with the left successor, with the right successor, but the node with no successor is there, no child node is there, then the node will be external node. Otherwise, if the node is having two child is there, node will be called internal node is there. So you can look at the diagram. Internal node, you look at the diagram, internal node is showing us the two child nodes are there, but the external node at the last, external node is there. Actually the date has written there by mistake. Whenever I draw the picture of the textbook, at that time date has already print. Just look at the textbook, your own textbook, you can look at the diagram very clearly, that is showing the external node is not having the child node, so the node is called external node. Also we can say 0 children are there with the node is called external node. No node is there available as a successor for the node, no node is there as a child of the node, is called external node. So from the definition, I think you got the concept. We will look at the another definition. Binary search tree at the top of the next page. Just change your page of your textbook. Binary search tree. It is a binary tree in which each node n of a tree has a property that the value of n is greater than the node value of left subtree of n is less than the equal to the node value in the right subtree of n. First look at the diagram in your textbook showing the different node with the different values. 14 is the number of the root node. You can look at the left subtree, 4, 3, 9, 7 are there, and you can look at the right subtree, 15, 14 and 18 is there. Just with the level number, you should have to enter the new element in that sense. In the binary search tree, the easy definition is the tree with the left side of node contains the data value less than the data value at the right side of tree. Means left subtree will have the data value or the value less than the right side of subtree. Just you can see by with the level number. 14 is at the level number 0. 4 and 15 are the two different nodes, out of which number 4 is less than or equals to 15. So generally we can look here, number 4 is less than the 15. So 4 will be available at only the left side and 15 will be available at the right side. Means the lesser number node will be available at the left side and the larger number node will be available at the right side. In the same manner, if we look at the left subtree, after number 4, 3 and 9 is there. So 3 will be input at the left side and 9 will be input at the right side. Then number 7 is there, will be input at the left side attached with the number 9. And you can look at the right side. After 15, 14 number is there present at the left side and 18 number is larger than the 14, so it will available at the right side. In the easy sense, you can write the definition of the tree. I have already written in this type of value of the node of left side is less than the value of node of right side. So at that time you can write in the best way. Whatever the different format of your definition you are writing in the exam, just write properly, and that should explain the real concept of the definition. So at that time you will get the better marking. Otherwise, write the definition which is very similar to the textbook. You will get the perfect marking in the exam, out of which you will get the better performance, better marking than the other people's. Just memorize the different definitions, different diagrams, try to practice over the different diagrams. I am in touch with you through the video. Right now we can learn the different topics with the different videos, and provide my own knowledge with you, and trying to my best to survive in front of you. But due to these videos, actually it is very hard to teach you, but just we are trying to reach up to you through this video. So I hope you will study very hard, and for the today's video, if you are having some problem, then try to watch again and again, try to read at that time continuously. You should write in your notebook also, so that you will get the better performance, better marking, and better knowledge than the other people's. So best of luck student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you, bye.